What's up, guys? They call me Kijana on Songo, and you're hanging out with
Joy from Nairobi TV.
Joy from Nairobi TV.
Tuko hapa ndani ya Nairobi TV. Na niko hapa na Joy mwenyewe, guys. Subscribe to this amazing channel.
She was in so much pain. So much pain. Imagine your blood is not doing normally. She was in so much pain, and I feel so bad. She had to spend a whole day alone in a hospital. Imagine you're on a hospital bed, your kids are thinking you're okay. So now she had to, I felt so sad because I wasn't there for her. I wish I was there the whole day, but you know, I'm still a student. I have to go to school and everything. I didn't know her condition was that bad because everything happened so fast. So then she was coming down from the bed, and I swear when I saw her face, I felt like breaking down. There were over 30, I think 20 people. So I couldn't let out my heart. I was like, Mom, I love you, and cry all I want because there are so many people and there are so many cameras. I hate cameras when I'm really being genuine. When I'm speaking, I hate cameras. You know, around. I just wanna be myself sometimes because I don't know where that information is going. So all I did is try to hold in my tears. When we were praying like this, I could see, you know, she wasn't able to move when you have a stroke. So, but I could see her tears running down. But she was looking around. She couldn't even talk to me. But I could talk to her, and then she could listen. So, yeah. So then now, she came down, we saw her, we prayed for her. Everyone was ready to leave. I said, I have a bad feeling. Today I have to talk to my mom. I have to. I want to. They didn't examine me in that ambulance. I forced my way. There was a driver's place. The doors were already closed. There was no way in. But you see the driver's seat. I went through the driver's seat and I went through the back all the way to see my mom. I could see her nurse over there was stripping her, trying to give her those injections. It was so painful to watch, guys. I don't want to cry because it may affect Sana, and I don't want to be weak. I don't want when my brother grows up or when my dad sees this video and he just feels sad. I'm trying to stay strong for everyone around me. But yeah, I sat in that ambulance and I remember the exact same words that I said, like I said it a few hours ago. I remember them. I sat down, I could see her looking at me. And I said, Mom, I miss you so much. And it's sad to come back home every day from school and not see you. Because, you know, she used to have a favorite seat down, like in the sitting room. And every day, you know, I would come back from school. And then I thought I would see her in that sitting pose, in that place. And I said, I'm not seeing anyone. And even no one told me her condition is that bad. So I told her, I miss you so much and I love you. I could see her crying. The tears were running down. I could see her crying. I'm like, Mom, I miss you, I love you. And I'm saying, Mom, I miss you, I love you. I'm trying to scream while this poor pushing me out of the ambulance because I want to talk to my mom. But I wasn't allowed because the stress might affect her. But I had a bad feeling that this would be the last time I see her. After I saw her condition, I was broken. I was shattered. Everyone was crying. While I was talking to my mom, she could still hear my brother in the background crying loudly because he's not a soft crier. So, let me wipe my tears. So, that day after I saw her condition, I was like, I have to pray for her. The next day it was on. The day I met her was a Saturday. The next day was a Sunday. On Sunday, I didn't go to church, but it is because so many things were going on. And after they saw my condition, they were like, there's no way this girl can go to church. People will be wondering why she's so sad, why she's so what. So, that day, Nili decided I fasted that day. Sikukula the whole day. I didn't eat. after seeing your mom in that condition, can you feel like eating? Me, I didn't feel like eating. Eating was the last thing on my mind. So I felt like, let me take this opportunity. People would ask me, by this, like the devil came with temptation. My auntie would usually come with pizza and what. Me, I didn't feel like eating. I felt sick because my mom is in the hospital and I can't be with her. That day I prayed. I had Bible verses screenshotted. This phone is my phone is filled with Bible verses screenshot, because I enter my prayer, I say a scripture and say, God, my mom will not die. I said, God, my mom will not die. God, I will not look at photos and say this was my mom. And I told God, by next week my mom will be out of that hospital. I told God, by next week that woman will not be there. In the mind, I had so much faith. So I still love both of my fathers. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm not picking sides. I love them both. Life will continue as same as it was, whether she's here or not. So it will just continue like that. Please be careful. Don't bully my baba. Don't bully my dad. You don't know what is happening behind the scenes. So, you know, some of you can hear small information and assume anything. Don't assume. There are so many things that are happening behind the cameras. So please don't assume. I want my mom to rest in peace. And she was buried yesterday. My dress is still in my closet. She was buried yesterday. It was sad seeing her casket go down. Yeah, but yeah, my last words is to say that I will make my mother proud no matter what. I shared with her my dreams, everything that I will accomplish, everything that I will accomplish, and I will accomplish them. But it has just made me more determined to continue what I'm doing and do it better than before. Because that woman, she used to encourage me every day. And now she's not here. You think I'm not going to stop. I will continue. Ikitumeumia sana. You know, when something is so painful to the point inaku uplift, that is what it has done. So I'll try my best to produce for you guys videos. Please just support. Just support. You know. Just support. You know, just be nice in the comment section. It's not that hard, but I don't even check it. So whether what you comment, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I want to say, guys, bye. It's been a sad video. This is my third time doing this video. The first time I cried. The second time I don't want to show the video because I cried so much. This is the third time. Thank God I went through this video without crying much, because it's been a week. The first video I did it when the third day my mom died, so the pain was fresh. I was crying the whole video. I don't want to portray. That's what I told that woman. I said, you love your mom, right? And I said, so much. And then she was like, I would love to talk to her, but she's no longer here. I remember my brother looked at me. You know, he's short, so he looked at me with his eyes, and then he was like making sure that he had the same thing that I had. And I'm like, oh Jesus, why are you looking at me like that? He's like looking at me. This guy, his mom. I look at him back, I'm like, it's okay, they are pranking us, you know. As we are social media people, so I thought this would be an awesome prank. My mom is pranking me, but that wasn't a good prank. I wish it was a prank. I wish it was a prank because I wish it was a prank. I don't wanna cry, because I've done this video so many times and I don't want to mess this one up, because I don't want to show any emotions here, because I don't want my anyone to watch it and feel bad. of what is happening because all people already feel sad, so I'm trying to stay strong for these people. And then Danny started crying immediately. And then I was like, you're pranking me. What is... Me, I didn't even cry. Me, I was like, you're pranking... Where is my mom? She's like, oh, I'm pranking you. Come, let's see her. I walk out. I'm seeing everyone looking at me pitifully. I was walking, I was feeling okay. People wondering, Sky, why are you not crying? What's up with you? Because it's not like it didn't hit me yet. As it came, it didn't hit me at all. It hit me like a banger. The news went so down so fast, like I measured it like a pill. I fell down while we were walking to her room. Like, geez, it's like something caught me. I fell down. It's like like something. I fell down and I started crying. And I was like, oh, my mom is not dead. 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 I fell down. I remember. And then I went to this big room. She was on a hospital bed, her body facing a window. I entered. I looked at her with no tears in my eyes, looking at her like this. I was soaking it all in because I knew this would be the time I will see her normally. That time she looked like human. Because you know, dead people don't look the same after even a day or an hour. I want to soak in that this will be the last time I'm seeing her. Tubes were running through her mouth. You could see blood is running through. And when people are dead, their fingers are black. And their tongue is also black and purple. Her tongue was purple and inside was black. And tubes were running and blood was running through. Her skin was still normal because she died a few minutes ago. Not minutes, few hours ago. So I saw her. I saw my mom dead, lifeless on a hospital bed, still with hospital clothes, lying down there peacefully, sleeping. I don't like saying she's dead, it hurts my feelings, so I just say she's sleeping. So I saw her there sleeping. Everyone was shattered in the room. I was like looking at her. Up to this day, I don't believe my mom is dead. Up to this day, I don't believe my mom is dead. But she truly is, you know. Never in my life again will I have anyone to call mom. I won't have any more memories with her.